Let's see. Your girl look pop. Hold on.
Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hold 5, 6 figures. Stripes on my ass, so he call his pussy Tigger. Fucking on a scamming ass, rich ass nigga. Same group of bitches, ain't no ass to the picture. Drop a couple racks, watch his ass get bigger. Tricking, I'm looking at your nigga. If it's money, why he can eat it like a snicker? I ain't got time for you fake ass hoes. Talking all loud in them fake ass clothes. Fake ass shoes.
There we go. What's up, YouTube? Pause. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Princess Dad, back in the code with another video. Period. So today's video is gonna be me showing you how I do my 2 feed-in fresh braids. It's not that hard. You see, I got my weave already in the back, but yeah. So I'm just gonna show you how I just rock my style and how I do it, and because baby, underneath this bonnet is dangerous. So stay tuned and let's get it cracking. You feel me? Okay, so don't judge me because I wanted to put my mask on while I do my hair. That's what I always do, so that my skin, you know, look at it, it look glowing, you know what I'm saying?
Boy, if you don't get...
So let's get started. I'm gonna start I'm gonna just do like a talking video basically. So, well, no, I'm not even gonna talk. I'm just gonna show y'all.
Oh! Oh my god!
I look like Catwoman. But, you know, so first, get your little flat irons. You know, dang, you know, all that. Girl, I look all god. But, you know, don't judge me because, period, when I get my hair done, y'all gonna be DMing me and Snapchatting me, all that. So anyway, so just get you some flat irons, and this really don't got no temperature. So all you gotta do is just flat iron your hair.
I know you fucking lying, bitch.
Until, you know, oh my god, until it's straight.
Thought you won't leave my side, but I guess you lied to me. I thought you was down the ride, but ain't nobody right but me, and they all turned their backs on me. So I think it's time to say my goodbye to all of your lies. Let me take that back. You gave me this feeling that I never felt before, and I deserved it. I know I deserved it. It became something that's impossible to ignore, and I can't take it. I was wondering, maybe can I have back my baby? If I did something special, would that make me look crazy? If you ask me, I'm ready. Can I ask you, are you ready to see the new me? Whoa, whoa, I changed 'cause you're my everything, my everything. You told me I was the first you ever felt in love with, and I can say the same about you. People in my past, they did me dirty, broke my heart. thought you were different. I was wondering, can I fix my mistakes? Cause baby, I was wondering, maybe can I have back my baby? If I did something special, would that make me look crazy? If you ask me, I'm ready. Whoa, whoa, can I ask you, are you ready to see the new me? Whoa, whoa, I think 'cause you're my everything, my everything. That's it.
I need a challenge again. It's been a while. Since we argue, since we fought, been so quiet, I feel lost. It's been a while. Yeah. Since I lied and I got caught, I just don't know where to start. So what now? Try to play my part, try to save your heart. Too many long ass texts, why we can't just talk? Yeah, you know why we ain't go far. You think so much, gotta pace your thoughts. Don't worry about your last nigga, that ain't your fault. That ain't your fault. Ay. I miss our drama, it made me stronger. You was Michelle, I was Obama. I'm more like Bill and Hillary. Keep the shit real, you still feeling me. I need someone that matters. I need some balance, I need a challenge again. Girl, you the baddest. I was a savage, I was wrong, I suppose. Who to blame, I don't know. I need somebody, someone that matters. I need some balance, I need a challenge again. Girl, you the baddest. I was a savage, I was wrong, I suppose. Who to blame, I don't know. I'm not the bad guy, I just need balance. You say you fasting, and I move the fastest. And I know my passion, you want it marriage. And oh yeah, I get it, but I wanna be mad rich. And I'm not saying that if we together, I will make it. I'm gon' make it. Baby, I got goals and I'm impatient. All these arguments and time we wasted, can't waste my time. It's distracting me and I can't take it, I can't take it. One word texting, girl, you hate it. Yeah, in your feelings, are you faded? You the greatest and I'm your favorite.
I'm flying out for the weekend. I'll be calling you when I land, 'cause we ain't got no time to waste. Oh, and I don't give a damn about your boyfriend. He can have you when I go. Next week it might be Japan. I know you've been thinking about me, I know just to drink about you. I know you've been thinking about me, only on you. I'm in town for one night.
call you baby when I'm lonely. Whoa, whoa, yeah, I call you when you're down and out, when you're down and out. Stressed out, you just wonder how I'm living. Girl, I know it's been a minute. Say we got unfinished business, girl, I'm here for you. We been fooling around since high school. Now you come around with new dudes, but they can't do you just like I do. No, 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 no. I'm the same, I'm the same, I'm the same. Oh. Got a little fame, little change, I done changed out what you say. Run away, run away, run away. Riding with the top down, cause I'm hot now. Hey, girl, whenever you, whatever, it's whatever, it's whatever, it's whatever. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Shawty, come and lay down. Ain't got shit to say now. Give it to you when you want it. Girl, I give it to you when you want it. How you want it. All the good times I remember. I ain't stunning, girl, I miss you. Anticipating to get with you. Now with you, now with you. I done gave you anaconda. Even got a chance to meet your mama. Your papa always had some drama. No, no, no. But I believed in you, believed in you, believed in you. No matter what they say, yeah. Let's try again and put our trust on the line. One more time, don't go away, go away, go away. Listen to me, girl, just stay, stay, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Nigga ain't felt like this in a minute. Shit, crazy. But hey,
it's 3:45, I got a show. Girl, is you coming? Well, just let me know. I gotta make sure you in the front row. I gotta make sure I tell all my hoes that shit ain't a go. I know that's cold. I had to wake up and smell all the ropes in Pasadena. The grass is greener. If you ever seen it, that nigga, you know. The baby could walk down the runway and still be America's next. Low top model and you make all them bitches show some respect. Bad and pussy, the glass Gucci, the bag is Louis, the ass is Gucci, the shit like a movie. I'm blowing these bands like my name was Hootie. Hey girl, what you doing? You got me like, damn that girl, my best friend, my boo, my shawty. Damn that girl got a face that make a nigga wanna party. Damn that girl be surfboarding, that shit so gnarly. Yeah, she so gnarly. My bitch so gnarly. Big petty on my wrist, but she ain't impressed. 100 on my neck, but she could care less. She don't get damn by the jet, she don't get damn where I been. Nigga better come correct, or you gon' get your ass checked. Like some Nikes, like I'm Kyrie. Ain't from Boston, but that Clover got me feeling irie. That's my wife, she so gnarly, she so gnarly, my bitch so gnarly.
I liked you better on the first date. I should've said what's wrong in the first place. I don't, cause you always taking it the wrong way. You won't listen, you're too busy playing 2K. I always been down, but you still sleep. And even though I said it now, you should've been peeped. I feel it in my soul, yeah, so deep. So deep, you should know that about me, yeah. I just turned down your avenue. I had to, but I'm mad at you, yeah. You always say I got an attitude, oh, yeah. But that's you was acting rude. I had to ask you if you had a few, cause you always say I got an attitude, oh. Why you talking to me like you be like? Why you always wanna be right? Oh, I just need the time that you can't find. I just need to know that it's still mine. And the way that you can't say my name don't seem right. But I know when to go and to stop at the green light. Oh, I just turned down your avenue. I had to, but was acting rude, I had to ask you if you had a few. Cause you always say I got an attitude, oh. So I'm the one that's out of place, I'm the one that's in the way. I don't communicate, I'm so spoiled. So I'm the one that need a break. Like you ain't stay in my place, but you the one that came home late. And I ain't loyal, but that's you, yeah, that's you. That's you, yeah, that's you.
This is the end of the video. I hope y'all like this little style, you know what I'm saying? So it's cute, something simple. We not really like trying to do too much, but just go out, you know, go to work, something like that. So that's what I did, just because I'm going to work tomorrow and I'm not trying to do too much. So yeah, it's pretty easy, beginner level. Like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, new content coming soon. If she say one more damn thing, like, comment, and subscribe.